Gosh, it's stormy though. Oh, there you are. Hello, little birdie. Here, don't come out of your shelter too much. Want some of these? Can you make it to there? I don't want you to come out too far because I'm actually being blown around the place. Well done. You're so lovely out on a stormy day. Here, birdie, do you want some more? Right, well, I'm going to leave you some over here on the table because I think the rain's about to start again. So it was lovely to see you, birdie. Bye. Oh, poor little dubbies. Hello, pigeons. Gosh, they're being blown asunder.